Today I'm fixing a pair of M5 pants that one of our guys burned a hole in. This is one of two typical types of damage that will be incurred to your garments. The other would be like a 90-degree tear, which is a simple fix. But today I'm going to tenacious tape the front of this. I'm going to flip it inside out. I'm going to seam grip the back side of the damage and then add another piece of tenacious tape to the backer just to ensure a burly fix. So I'm going to cut a piece and I'm going to try to leave like ½ an inch roughly around the edge of this just to ensure a good seal. So just take a quick measurement. And I'm going to cut a patch here. I'm actually going to round these edges to prevent this patch from peeling up in the future. We'll just place that on there and just try to make sure we get all these air bubbles out of here. I don't know if you can see, but there's just a little damage to the pant down here. So that's why I've made this patch kind of offset of this hole. Okay, so that's on there nicely. No air bubbles left in the tape there. So I'm going to go ahead and take the pant and flip it inside out. Then I'm going to take my seam grip and just dab that on here. And add some around this hole as well. And I'm basically going to try to build up a little barrier in here. Okay. And then I'm going to take another patch and repeat the process. Okay. And we'll do the same thing and try to rub all the air bubbles out of there. And that's really it. I'll typically let that dry at least overnight. If I just use the tenacious tape on the face fabric, I'd be pretty comfortable throwing that garment on and going back out. But because I've added seam grip and whatnot, it's ideal to let that set. So we'll let that set overnight and then your garments will be ready for the field again. If you have any questions about Stone Glacier products or product repairs, please reach out to the shop. We're happy to help.